Guys, today India is observing the 48th anniversary of its first nuclear test in Pokhran of Rajasthan. It made India a nuclear power. The test was code-named Smiling Buddha and conducted on May 18, 1974. The name was chosen because the test was conducted on Buddha Purnima that year. The Buddha has finally smiled was the message conveyed by Raja Ramana, the director of India's premier nuclear research institute, Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, to Prime Minister Indiragandhi. It was first confirmed nuclear test by a nation that was not a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. The country also faced a series of sanctions from nations like the United States, which said that such tests can lead to nuclear proliferation. After 1974, India again tested nuclear bomb at same place in 1998 when Atalbiharivajpayee was the Prime Minister. That's all guys in this video about Pokhran first, and I have already explained about Pokhran second. Then try to watch that video also. Thank you guys, see you soon.